Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to check storage space on Amazon Fire TV stick. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to check storage capacity on your Amazon Fire TV stick, then I will show you how to see this. First of all, you just need to go to the settings. Just click on the settings. After that, below you can see my Fire TV. Just you need to click on this. After that, you can see here about. Click on the about. After that, second option you can see storage. Click on the storage. In right side you can see the storage capacity of your Amazon Fire TV stick. That's it guys. So in this way you can check or see storage capacity on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.